So the third step or the third video in this tutorial is how to send custom order information to your vendor and to fulfill the order. So what we have done in this earlier videos is we have set up a sample vendor here, and if you want to edit it, you go edit it, and let's say you want to add you have some custom information. So let's save and continue here. So go to the third step, step 1, 2, and 3. This is the last step. So you say add more fields. So for example, in this AutoFulfill link we saw, there's there's phone number. Maybe you don't want the phone number to be shown, or you want to keep it private. So you can say, I don't want to add phone number, but I want to show them the SKU. I want to show the vendor cost. What's the vendor cost? It is. We'll come back to this video later. It's basically you can enter the cost and you can calculate profit margins on each product. There's a special order note that the customer sends, and you want your supplier to see that, or you have other discounts that you're given, and you want your supplier to see that when they prepare the invoice to be shipped. And there are other images you want to add. Let's say include image, or you want to include the image URL, and there are other attributes like cart attributes. There are sometimes there's some thickness of a material, or there's a color. There's different properties that goes with this. So many times this is not enough. This needs to be more information. So you can add all that. You can add product tags. Sometimes some of our customers, they use order tags, where there are specific, very custom designed T-shirts or something, which needs very custom information. So all these things, can be added to your order information, and it gets updated here. So we added few here. Let's see whether they get added. So these are the custom information, and if you have any specific requirement, you can please contact us, and we'll try to add it as quickly as possible. So let's see how this works. Okay, so let's save and continue. And I will give it some time because it has to update for the first time, only for the first time. And once it's updated, we can see the vendor link. Okay, so there's green. So let's click here. This is the old vendor sheet link, and this is the new one. So you see here the old had this information, but now we went and updated it. See, amazing. You get the image link. And remember this, when you click on this link, you see at the bottom there, bottom left, you see this link to the file. So it doesn't take it doesn't take the vendor or the supplier to your store. So sometimes, some sellers, they want to keep the vendor separate from, they do not want the vendor to see their store. So, but again, you see here, this is the link to the image. It doesn't lead them to the store. So you can see there's privacy for you there. And then we added SKU. So SKU is showing up here. Order note, we removed phone number. So there was a phone number. You don't want them to know your phone number. So basically just the shipping information, the order information, the product name, order date, and all these things. So this is how a custom order information can be added.